Unlock focused progress and efficient team collaboration by mastering sprint creation in Jira. First, navigate to your Jira project on the left-hand sidebar. You'll find the Scrum or Kanban boards if you're using Scrum. Click on the Backlog option. This is your backlog, a prioritized list of all the work for your project to begin. Locate the Create Sprint button, usually found at the top of the backlog view. Click it. A small window will pop up here. You'll give your sprint a descriptive name, something like Sprint 1 User Authentication works well. Next, choose your sprint's start date. Click on the date field and select the day you want the sprint to officially begin. Now, define the sprint's end date. You can either manually select it or, if your Jira is configured for it, choose a duration like 2 weeks. With your sprint named and timed, it's time to add work. Simply drag and drop the highest priority issues from your backlog directly into the newly created sprint. Ensure you're selecting tasks that your team can realistically complete within the sprint's timeframe. And there you have it. Your sprint is created and populated with tasks ready for your team to tackle, driving focused effort and delivering value efficiently.